The Autotrail XL 620G is a compact motorhome designed for couples, young families, and adventurous travellers. The swivel cab seats and half dinette create a practical space for meals, relaxation, and life on the road. Towards the rear, you'll find a comfortable fixed double bed, with useful storage beneath for luggage, outdoor equipment, and touring essentials. The washroom includes a toilet and shower, giving you the convenience and flexibility to travel on or off-grid. The Autotrail XL 620G is ideal for couples who want comfort without the size of a larger motorhome. In the kitchen, you'll find a sink, 3-burner gas hob, and oven. One of the standout features of the 620G is the pop-top roof, accessed via a drop-down ladder, providing additional sleeping space when needed. Book with confidence at GoGallivanting.co.uk. No hidden fees, insurance included, and verified owners across the UK.